Introduction to Qualitative Research, Part 1. Let us begin with the definitions and scope of qualitative research. Qualitative research is a method of inquiry aimed at understanding human experiences, behaviors, and social phenomena in their natural settings. It focuses on exploring meanings, perceptions, and experiences rather than measuring variables or testing hypotheses. By employing flexible, non-numeric data collection methods, qualitative research seeks to capture the richness and complexity of lived experiences. Key characteristics. Number 1. Exploratory nature. Emphasizes understanding how and why questions. 2. Context-dependent. Investigates phenomena within their real-world context. 3. Subjectivity. Acknowledges the role of the researcher and participants in shaping the data. And number 4, inductive approach, builds theories from observations and patterns rather than testing pre-existing theories. Common applications. Exploring cultural practices and beliefs. Understanding patient experiences in healthcare settings. Investigating organizational behaviors and dynamics. Examples: studying how individuals cope with chronic illness. Exploring teachers' perspectives on inclusive education. Philosophical foundations, ontology and epistemology. Qualitative research is deeply rooted in philosophical assumptions about the nature of reality, ontology, and the nature of knowledge, epistemology. Understanding these foundations helps researchers align their methods with their worldview. First, let's explore ontology. What is the nature of reality? Ontology deals with questions about what exists and what constitutes reality. In realism, reality exists independently of human perceptions. Researchers aim to uncover this objective reality. While in constructivism, reality is socially constructed through human interactions and interpretations. Researchers explore multiple perspectives to understand how individuals make sense of the world. Next, we turn to epistemology. How do we know what we know? Epistemology concerns the nature and scope of knowledge and how it can be acquired. In positivism, knowledge is objective and can be discovered through observation and measurement. It is often aligned with quantitative research. In interpretivism, knowledge is subjective and constructed through human experiences. Interpretivism emphasizes understanding meanings and contexts. So, what are the practical implications of these ideas? Researchers must reflect on their ontological and epistemological stance when it comes to selecting appropriate research methods, framing their research questions, and when interpreting their findings within the chosen philosophical framework. Now let's address the differences between qualitative and quantitative approaches. Understanding the distinctions between qualitative and quantitative research is crucial for selecting the right approach based on research objectives. When it comes to focus of study, qualitative explores meanings, experiences, and contexts, while quantitative measures variables, tests hypotheses, and establishes relationships. When it comes to data collection methods, qualitative includes interviews, focus groups, observations, and document analysis, while quantitative includes surveys, experiments, and standardized tests. As for the nature of data, qualitative is non-numeric, narrative, and descriptive, while quantitative is numeric and statistical. When it comes to research design, qualitative is flexible, emergent, and iterative, while quantitative is structured, predefined, and controlled. In analysis, qualitative includes thematic analysis, content analysis, and grounded theory, while quantitative includes statistical tests and modeling. And lastly, as for their philosophical foundations, qualitative is rooted in constructivism and interpretivism. Quantitative, on the other hand, is based in positivism and post-positivism. The next part of this module will include the following: research design and methodologies, common qualitative research designs, selecting an appropriate design for research questions, as well as practical considerations.